aesthetic. Dental implants look and feel like your own teeth. Since dental implants integrate into the structure of your bone, no one will ever know that you have a replacement tooth. Tooth saving. Dental implants do not sacrifice the quality of your adjacent teeth. More of your own teeth are left untouched, a significant long-term benefit to your oral health. Confidence. Dental implants will allow you to once again speak and eat with comfort and confidence. Reliable. The success rate of dental implants is highly predictable. They are considered an excellent option for tooth replacement. What can I expect after treatment? As you know, your own teeth require at-home oral care and regular dental visits. Dental implants are like your own teeth and will require the same care. In order to keep your implant clean and plaque-free, brushing and flossing still apply. After treatment, periodic follow-up visits will be scheduled to monitor your implant, teeth and gums to make sure they are healthy.